Alright, so today is February 13th, 2014, and I just realized why I love this snow so much. It reflects the light and pretty much makes selfies impossible to look bad. It's a good thing. But anyways, I have 2 classes today. It should be over really fast. And then I'm gonna meet up with my friend Caitlin, play some Pokemon for a while. She's my rival, so that's what we do. Lightning Returns hasn't come in yet, so can only hope. But we'll see where that goes. So, I'm done with classes for today. I'm gonna go talk to someone about getting some paper time for my Hokkaido exchange, and then after I get those turned in, then I can turn those in, and then I have to set up an interview for next Friday, so that should be pretty fun. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that Lightning Returns hasn't come in yet, so in case anyone was. Now, after much toilsome effort, my videos are almost all uploaded. Well, there's that one's doing its thing right now, but otherwise they're all uploaded. They're not good, but they're there. Lightning Returns isn't in again. I just don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, come on.
Go out, there's no time.